In modern manufacturing, image anomaly detection is always performed at the end of the manufacturing process and tries to identify product defects. The price of a product is significantly affected by the defect's severity. In addition, if the flaw reaches a certain threshold, the product will be discarded. Historically, the majority of anomaly detection tasks are performed by humans, which suffers from the following disadvantages. Firstly, it is impossible to avoid human fatigue, resulting in a false positive phenomenon. Secondly, long and intensive work on anomaly detection may cause health problems, such as visual impairment. Thirdly, locating anomalies requires a significant number of employees, raising operational costs. The research team of Professor Jin Yachu in collaboration with the research team of Professor Zhang Feng at Southern University of Science and Technology provide a comprehensive review of deep learning-based image anomaly detection techniques, from the perspectives of neural network architectures, levels of supervision, loss functions, metrics, and datasets. In addition, they extract the promising setting from industrial manufacturing and review the current IAD approaches under the proposed setting. Moreover, they highlight several opening challenges for image anomaly detection. Related work has been published in the first issue of Machine Intelligence Research in 2024.